So as part of previous class, we have discussed about few shell scripts. What are all the shell scripts we have discussed? So the shell scripts what we have discussed is all disk usage.sh. The intent of what is the intent of this all disk usage.sh? This is a kind of one real-time program. So we can say that if you're having a Unix server and the Unix server is having multiple mount points. If you want to know the utilization of each mount point, and after that you want to take some decision, then we go with then we can proceed with this kind of program. So in order to achieve that, we required definitely we required while loop. So why do we go with the while loop? So because while is having a facility, with the help of while loop we can able to read entire line as it is. So if you go with a for loop, we'll come to know the differences. But by default, with help of while loop, while with the read keyword, we can able to change the we can able to redirect the input from a standard keyboard to a file. So each if the file is having 100 lines, the loop iterates 100 times. That is the one program. So we have discussed, and we also learn about a program called this is another program what we have discussed. So what is the intent of what is the intent of this program? So with help of this program, we are able to print we are able to print the so we are able to print the mathematics number from 1 to 20. So from 1 to 20 we are trying to print the mathematical output. So these are all like very simple and small programs where we can able to go ahead and use on your day-to-day operations. So if, when you are working on a real-time shell scripts, these are really helpful for your even these are very really these kind of programs are really helpful. So I think there is some issue to I think so this program is incorrect, right? So this program is completely incorrect. This is not working. So as expected. So what is the problem on here? The problem on here is 2 1 4 4. Direct it is showing it as 4 4 only. So which means that we need to change some we need to change some values. So for example here. So control Z. So let's go down here. So here you go. So here, so what is our program logic? So we are starting with the program with two less than or equals to 20. So two, whenever it is two, then j is equals to one. So j less than or equals to 10. So two into one. So it has to work. Let me check. So where do you see the issue on here? So here the thing is like the math table of 2 is in below. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Okay, it's not all working. So it is not all so helping. So here the value of the value of j so is not the value of j. So very first time so here the value of j is not iterating. So to outside it is iterating. So outside it is iterating, but inside it is not iterating. So inside it is not iterating. So we are trying to get the same value. So here. So here dollar j very first time it is one, right? So here the values are not iterating. The values are here not iterating. So I mean if you keep this j inside this, so while the math table of this one, so now we are going to define. So let's keep it as an outside. So go command execute this program. So you need to check. I mean every time. So where it is going to okay, work, how it is going to work. So I mean, to be frank, okay, this is not okay working. So why it is not working? Okay, here. So okay, here this program is not working. I is equals to 2, j is equals to 1. So if you keep okay outside of the 1, so okay, this will never okay execute. So this will never okay execute. So okay, we need to okay add this on correct place. So where to add this in correct place? So okay, while okay here okay do. So okay, inside this okay while okay do. So if you are going to okay add it on okay here. So if you are going to okay add it on okay here. So every time j is equals to 1 starting from here, but it's not okay working. So it is not okay working. So where could be the okay problem? So can somebody okay think where could be the exact problem okay here? So where could be the okay tell me. So in this logic where exactly if you make changes this program okay executes. Come on, you guys can okay speak out. So okay here okay I mean earlier okay I mean if you go with okay this guy, so if you go with okay this guy, so this is working okay this is working, right? So 2 into 168 this is working okay as expected. But why this is not okay working on okay here? Because okay here there is a mistake. What is the mistake? Can you just tell me what is the mistake on okay here? Come on, speak out. Because so here inside this it should be j not okay I. So for example okay every time okay it is okay I mean so now go ahead and okay, run okay, this program, so we are going to get the correct values. But no one is pointing out that okay there is a mistake. And you should come out, right? So whenever you are okay, if there is a mistake in this program, you can okay, speak out saying that so on so line okay there is okay mistake. So on so there is a okay mistake. So this program okay we have executed and this we have written. And not only for this, so there is another okay use case of okay while loop. So the first use case is if you want to execute your program predefined okay number of times, which means that until the condition is true, if you want to execute some set of statements we go with okay while loop. Then the second iteration is, so if you want to run a program infinite number of times, then okay we go with okay while loop. And what is the other way? So if you want to read the input from a file line by line, and after that okay if you want to okay execute the program, so if you want to read okay input line by line, after reading it line by line, then okay if you want to okay send out then you want to perform some operations on that line, then then iterate to the next line, then we can go with okay this while loop. There is a another use case of okay while loop. There is a another okay there is a another okay use case of other okay use case of another okay use case of okay while loop. What is another use case of while loop? So consider by default, so what is the intent of cron tab command? So with help of cron tab command we can able to execute your program predefined number of times. So if you want to okay if you want to schedule a job concurrently, then we go with okay for loops like for control where then we go with sorry we go with a okay cron tab. So cron tab is a command, so with help of cron tab we can able to okay schedule our job okay forever. So if there is a job and if you want to run that continuously, then okay we go with okay this okay cron tab. But there are okay few scenarios where cron tab is completely disabled okay for user. Cron tab is completely okay disabled okay for user. So even we saw that, right? So if you go with cron dot okay deny file etc cron dot deny, if you add the username, that user cannot able to make the entries of cron tab. So now assume that so there is a okay shell program. So the intent of the okay, shell program is it will try to automatically take the okay, file backups every few minutes. I mean you have a requirement that you want to take okay you want to okay take the backup of you want to take the okay backup of okay all files. you want to take the backup of okay all files, which generates okay which I mean which locates on okay which locates on okay var temp or okay some file. So every 5 minutes you want to take the backup. After taking the backup of okay every 5 minutes, okay the intent of this program is every 5 minutes you want to run a program. Then what is the intent of that? So the another okay the main okay so every 5 minutes, whatever the files is available on okay var So say that okay a cd var under the var you are having okay 10 files. So now take the backup, or okay you want to okay you want to do the okay, rsync, or you want to do some other operations. You want to do some other operations. So if you want to achieve okay such kind of okay functionality, so then if cran tab is completely disabled, then okay we can go ahead with okay then we can use this okay while loop. So how do we do this while loop? And one more thing is so we'll use the while loop. So okay we also use okay while loop. We also okay use while loop. Okay we also use while loop. Okay when cron tab disable okay for a specific user, or cron tab service itself is not available, or cron tab service okay itself so okay itself okay not available. So not okay available. These are the okay first place. And okay second place is when you want to schedule. So when you want to okay schedule when you want to schedule a job, okay, based on okay, when you want to schedule a job, every 30 seconds, or okay, every 10 seconds, okay, every 10 seconds, okay, then we use while loop with sleep command. This is also one of the real time okay use case. This is also one of okay, real time okay use case. So how do we do that? If the cron tab is completely disabled for a specific user, then if he has a requirement that every 10 minutes you want to take the backup, or if there is a assume that right now we don't have any right now okay we don't have any okay, right now, okay, we don't have any external tools, okay, external scheduling tools, either either auto series or D series. They are not okay exist. They are not exist, and you want to okay schedule it. So in this case, how do we go with this? When you want to schedule a job every 30 seconds or okay, every 10 seconds, then okay these two scenarios we also go with okay while loop. What is the syntax of while loop? While true, so okay, while true, okay, do, or we can mention okay, while true, or okay, while okay, I is equals to okay one, or okay, while okay, I is equals to one, or you have to directly we are defining the value called I is equals to okay one, okay, do. So do okay script names. For example, you want to run a program. How do we run a shell script? For example, okay, where okay temp ABC, or okay disk usage, disk underscore okay usage okay disk usage dot okay sh, and okay we will also run that okay where okay temp. So okay where temp. So there is a okay file okay backup dot okay file backup dot okay sh. So then we'll use it okay sleep. For example, okay, you want to run this. So okay, you want to okay run this queue. Okay, you want to run this program every 10 seconds. Just you'll use the every 10, okay sleep 10s. Or if you want to schedule it on minutes, 10 m. So if you want hours, okay 10 okay h. If you want to schedule it on day, okay one okay day. So hours, minutes, days are the options available on okay sleep command. So we can use either 10s or okay one day, or okay one day, or okay hours, okay then okay 10 minutes, like this okay we can able to okay sleep. Okay then okay done. So then okay done. So what we do, we create a one shell program. So we'll create a one shell program. So vi vi continuous underscore okay, run dot sh, continuous underscore run dot sh. So okay we'll specify hash not. So okay bin by bash. Then after that okay while true do done. So this is the program. Now this program, okay, we run by using nohub command. So okay, nohub dot forward slash continuation run dot okay sh continuous run dot okay sh. So okay, ampersand. So in this case, okay, what happens? So we have, I mean, we do have a one shell program. Okay, for on top of the shell program, we are going to okay, create one wrapper. So the wrapper, what it does means, it will, what is the intent of this program? It will just okay run that program. So it will just okay run that program okay on okay every 10 minutes or okay every 10 seconds or every 1 day. So on certain intervals, if you want to run a program, so if you want to run the program, then okay we go with okay this okay we go with okay this okay no hub command with the help of okay with the help of okay while with the help of okay sleep with the help of no hub with okay, together of okay these three commands if you are using it in a proper way, then we can able to schedule, we can able to automate your jobs, or we can able to schedule your jobs by using with these three commands if there is no current of facility available in our okay, server available in our okay, server. So the same program, so if you want to run okay, every 10 minutes, okay, but there is a disadvantages running this program. What is the disadvantages? Once you reboot the system, this program will not okay, execute again. Again, you need to start the program. So there is a assume that so every day morning at 10 o'clock, you are going to restart your system, you are going to restart okay, your system. Then what you need to do is, as part of okay, if you are going to add it on dot profile files, so stating that okay, whenever you reboot the system, so add okay, run this program, run this wrapper, then automatically this will pick up. So if you are not having that wrapper facility, so once the system is rebooted, manually you can log into Linux system, and okay, we can run that okay, no hub dot forward slash that program name ampersand. So that what is the intent of no hub command? No hub means it runs in a background. So what is the advantages of no hub? Even though if you log out from a terminal, your program will continuously execute. So your program will continuously so executes. That is the okay, intent of okay, that is the okay, intent of this no hub okay command, and followed by this okay while loop. These are the okay majority of use cases where okay this majority of okay use case where we use this okay while loop. The main motto of the while loop is, so as long as condition is true, until the condition is true, then okay we go with I mean, if you want to run a program in predefined number of times, then okay we go with okay this okay while loop. So loop runs while condition is true. Okay, then when it executes, when the condition becomes false, this will fail. Use case is used when condition is checked repetitively. So as I said that if you go with a while loop, whenever you iterate the value, so by default, so if you are not going to keep the iteration values, it always check the condition, and since the condition is okay, the program will continuously runs. Whereas, so every time condition okay evaluates on okay while loop, every condition evaluates on okay while loop. So I hope it's clear for everyone, so the use cases and all these okay details. So we not write a program, so I mean we don't have that much real time use cases, but okay simply if you want to know that, so what are the different use cases, and if somebody asks that uh, a Linux server current app is disabled, then okay, how do we schedule the jobs? Then we can say that with the help of these three facilities, with the help of while loop for okay, using okay, sleep followed by the no hub, we can able to okay, run our programs. That is the one thing. Or so if somebody asks us like I want to schedule a job every 10 seconds or 30 seconds or 45 seconds, then okay, or okay, I mean you want to you want to run a job based on basis of seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 50 seconds and all, then okay, the cran tab is not having that future seconds future, so we can able to achieve it okay, by using this while loop followed by okay sleep and okay no hub. So any doubts on okay here? The same program, so if you want to okay here, so we do have a all disk space.sh, right? So all disk space.sh, so okay pwd, ls hyphen l, so var temp. So this is the okay program name. This is a program name. So okay vi. So okay double ra pp wrapper dot okay sh. So okay hash not bin by bash hash not bin by okay bash bin by bash while true while true okay do, then okay run this program, then okay sleep okay for okay sleep for okay 10 okay 10 okay sleep for okay 30 seconds, okay then okay done, sleep for 30 seconds and okay done. So okay once we come out on this, 1 second. So okay, in the same program, so done. So we have specified this. So while true, okay, do, we are going to run this program. Okay, sleep 30 seconds. Okay, done. So what this program okay does is, so what this program does is, so we have to keep okay, we have to keep, so we have to keep this okay, entire utility on. I mean whatever this. So there is a disk details and all these details, right? So let's go ahead and okay now save this program. Now no hub. Now no hub. We do have a wrapper.sh, right? So okay no hub sh. Okay, WRAPP wrapper.sh, okay, ampersand. So once you run this program, if you run this jobs command, so the jobs is a command, so it will continuously shows what is the intent of a jobs command, whatever the programs which are running on a background, all those background processes, it will show it on, okay, it will show by using jobs command or ps-eaf pipe, okay, grep hyphen I wrapper.sh. These are the two ways to validate whether a program which is run by you in on background which is running or not. This way now the program is okay working. So if you want to know that whether this program is working or not, we can also okay use this okay now command, whether this is started the successful utilization. See the space utilization of okay root is, so it will continuously okay log the details on nohub.out file. Nohub.out file, it will continuously okay every 10 seconds this will be okay executed. Every 10 seconds this will be say executed. Tile hyphen f nohub.out. See now this is okay by default okay you just enter this by default okay, every 10 seconds this program executes and it will log the entries in nohub dot okay out file. Nohub dot okay out file. So this is the major okay use cases of, these are the major use cases of okay while loop. I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So any doubts on okay this okay any doubts on this okay while loop, let me know so that okay we can okay discuss. I'm happy to explain if you're having any okay doubts. So clear? Okay. So today what we do is, so I mean we have completed learning. So we completed okay mainly okay while loop. So even in while loop, we can also use okay, if condition. A while loop can also contains another while loop or for loop or until. There are no limitations. If you are having a valid requirement, we can definitely okay use. You can definitely incorporate. Incorporate iterative statements inside the okay, inside conditional statements and the case or vice versa. Wherever you want, okay, we can able to. So wherever you want, okay, we can able to incorporate it. Today what we do is, so we will try to okay learn okay few more okay internal concepts of okay shell scripts. So not internal, so now we are going to okay learn about continue and okay break statements, continue and okay break statement. What is the meaning of continue and break? So okay, assume that so you have a okay goal okay, I mean assume you are having a goal of okay, getting government exams. So you defined a goal by yourself stating that so I want to okay, okay, I mean next 2 to 3 years or next 4 to 5 years. So from today onwards, okay, now 2025, okay, 17th, 16th July, you have a goal that okay, next okay, 1 year you want to okay get a government job or you want to okay achieve. So for example, okay, you joined a gym and you may I mean you have a goal that next 3 months or 6 months you want to build your body. So according to your okay wish. So now, what is your target? So from target of okay, U is, I mean the current target is okay 1 to 6 months. 1 to 6 months you define today to next 6 months. So assume that so if you achieve that okay if you achieve your goal in between okay 1 to 6 months okay 1 to 6 months assume that you have achieved your goal on okay second month or third month then you need not to continue that you need not to okay continue okay further okay you need not to continue continue the same right. So we have a wish okay we have a goal you want to get a government job so okay you have decided some okay you defined you set some guidelines you set some timelines from your side 1 to okay 6 months but luckily I mean or within okay 3 months or 4 months you got the job then that okay, then you need not to okay, study you need not to continue your study again and again right. So your goal is 6 months but before that you already achieved it then you can able to okay break your okay study and you can concentrate on okay others and continue in the sense like so okay continue how it works is 1 to 6 months but okay every okay 2 months or okay every 2 months or okay every 3 months okay you have defined okay validation point okay you have defined a validation point. So in a validation point so if you achieve it you can okay we can exit. If you don't achieve it still if you want to continue that okay next 3 to 4 next remaining okay days then okay we can go with the continue statement. So generally I mean I told that example so it's just a kind of okay general use case example. So the main intent of continue and break is so break and continue should be a part of okay should be part of okay should be associated. So break and continue should be associated with so it should be okay associate with okay, a while loop or okay should be associated with iterative control statements. What is the intent of iterative control statements? If you want to run a program some predefined number of times 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 30, I mean some predefined number of times we go with okay this loops right. So in the same okay the I mean so 1 to 20 times for example so while running 1 to 20 okay I mean you are trying to run a program 20 times but okay okay you got the results in between of that. So for example you want to check every 5 times every 10 times okay every 10th iteration you are going to validate whether I achieved these results or not. If you achieve the results we can terminate so you can come out from that you can come out from okay for loop or you can come out from okay while loop to next command or if there is no next command it will come out to command prompt. So in between of your program in between of okay loop execution in between of okay your loop execution if you want to come out your program then we go with okay break keyword. Whereas if you want to continue the program and you want to okay um, you want to avoid that you want to okay, skip that okay, validation value and okay, still if you want to continue your program then okay we go with okay then okay we go with this okay continue. So continue means still continue it. So break means you already achieved the results and you are going out. The best example is you are trying to okay okay, another best example is you are having a government websites you are having a government websites or for example if you take that any kind of government okay any kind of website there is a website called abc.com. So in the abc.com, you want to upload your data. You want to upload your data. You want to try 100 times. You want to try 100 times. To upload your data. So I mean sometimes it takes, sometimes it doesn't take. I mean depends on that one. So now you write you have I mean you are using by using a curl command. You are trying to load the data. You are trying to place the data into database. You are trying to place the data into database. So the maximum number of times it has to try is 100 times. So the maximum how many times it has to try? 100 times it has to try. So before the 100, I mean from 1 to 100, so if it is successfully placed to the data at first iteration itself, at first time itself, you need not run 99 times, you can come out. Or second, third, fourth, or a fifth time, whether if it is success, then exit. If it is not success, then then continue it until 100 times. After that, I mean even that 100 times you tried and you were unable to upload your data, then you have say that we are failed to upload the data. We are failed to upload the data. So to achieve such kind of functionalities, then we go with this break and continue keywords. Break and continue keyword. As I said that break means it exit the entire loop. When break is encountered, so when the break is encountered, so the loop, when the break is encountered, the loop completely, the loop stops completely, and control moves to the next command after the loop. Next command after the loop. Whereas in continue, it skip the current iteration. So for example, the difference between continue is, so once we are going to, when you are going to check that iteration, it ignores that iteration. So it ignores that iteration. Then again after ignoring that iteration, it will continue that remaining lines as well. So remaining, it's a kind of a checkpoint. So the other previous example, government's website, or your any kind of thing, you are going to set some checkpoints. In that checkpoints, if you have achieved it, we can break out. If you're not, if you haven't achieved it, then continue. That is the intent of this break and continue. That is the intent of this break and continue. So for example, let's write small programs by using this break and continue. And even this break and continue should be associated with if condition inside inside to control statement. So break and continue. So break and so break and continue. So what is the what is the intent of continue? So the break what is the first one? It should be a part of. It must be a part of. It must be a part of iterative control statement. Iterative control statements. And inside iterative inside inside. So inside iterative, it should be associate with if condition, which we associate with the if condition. So if the condition satisfies, that way we can able to run your I mean this way, whether if you want to continue or if you want to terminate, that we can able to achieve it by using this break and continue by using if and all these options. So now let's write a small program so that we'll come to know how it should be. So hash not. So let's use this while I is equals to 1. Now while I, so while dollar I less than or is equals to 10. Dollar less than or is equals to 10. Then do echo dollar I. If dollar I is equals to if dollar I equals to 5 equals to 5, then so break, then break F5, then I is equals to, so expr dollar I plus 1, dollar I plus 1, and if ending with F5, if is ending on okay here, and okay do should end with okay done. So do should done okay end with okay done. So in this case, what happens? So the value of okay I is the value of okay echo. The value of okay I is okay dollar okay dollar I. Now run this okay input. Now run this okay program. See, last time it was continuously running, right, when you were okay, executing this program by using that while loop. So what is the okay, error message okay here? So I is equals to 1, while dollar I less than or is equals to okay okay 10. So okay dollar I equals to 5. Why are we getting this exception now? So a unary operator is okay accepted. The value of okay I is hyphen le. Unary operator is okay expected. So here we defined okay I. So okay while okay dollar I. So okay while okay dollar I less than or is equals to okay 10. So while dollar I less than or equals to 10, echo dollar I. So okay, let's run this. Okay, value I is equals to expr. I think you should write in like inside the program only. Now run this program. I is equals to 1. Now vi test dot okay sh hash not bin by bash. So I okay we are okay now we I have defined the value of I is equals to okay 1, and okay while okay do. So I is equals to okay expr dollar I okay plus 1. Okay dollar I okay plus 1. I is equal to expr okay dollar I okay plus 1. Now run this okay program sh break underscore test dot okay sh. So the value of I is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after that, okay, after that it terminated. So when this program is terminated, when the value reach to 5, when the value reach to okay 5, this program is okay terminated. This program is okay terminated. This program is okay terminated. So the mistake earlier is, so between the plus before okay plus there should be a space, after plus there should be a okay space. So while dollar I less than or equals to 10, so I mean the intent of the program is this program has to execute okay 10 times. This program has to execute okay 10 times. Okay, but the program is terminating okay before that. The program is okay, terminating okay because okay I mean we have achieved the results. We achieved the okay, results at fifth point itself, so that okay we are terminating our okay program. We are terminating our okay program. Whereas if you go with okay continue statement instead of okay break, continue, if you go with okay continue, so what continue does is, so with help of continue program, so continue will try to run the program. It will continue the program execution. So that it will continue the program execution. So even though if you reach to certain point, if you want to continue the program, then okay we can go with okay then okay while I is equals to okay then dollar I equals to I, then continue fi. So we are trying to, when that okay I mean once it reaches to the 10, automatically it will come out. So okay if inside that okay until that if you want to okay check, these are the okay options. These are the way we can able to okay use this okay break and okay continue. So break and continue is used for that okay purpose. So the use cases of okay while is, for example, let's consider, as I said that okay we already discussed about nc command, right? What is the intent of nc command? So to check, I mean nc is an alternative of okay netstat command. So NC-Z localhost 3306, this is also same, or telnet localhost 3306, both are okay same. NC command, network connectivity, and okay telnet, both are okay same. Echo waiting for MySQL to be ready, sleep file done, which means that, so as long as okay this port is as long as this command is okay, then that is for okay previous. And okay when you go with okay break, so okay here, okay stop the script if required, okay files is okay found. So for file in start.txt, do if dollar file is equals to important.txt, then found the important file, okay skipping scan break, which means that you are trying to okay scan, there is a folder, in a folder okay we do have some thousands of files, okay, or from your root you are trying to search. So whenever you found that okay your file name is okay so on, so if you found that file name, if you want to come out to your program, then okay, obviously okay we can go with okay then obviously, so okay we can go with okay this okay break keyword. The still okay, the same continue also scheme. So skips the empty lines in a file. So for example, while reading a file, so if the file contains any empty lines, if the file contains okay, if any empty lines, then continue that program. So you want to ignore that. So if the line contains okay, any specific if a file contains okay, any specific any specific okay, pattern, you want to ignore that, then that way also we can able to ignore it. So if hyphen z, so okay, hyphen z dollar five, then continue. So echo processing okay dollar line. So if it is not, then okay, if it is, then it has to be terminate. That is the main okay differences between there is the main differences between break and break and okay continue. We can also okay, imagine some real time examples, and okay we can use this okay break and okay continue, break and okay continue. So any doubts on okay here, whatever we have discussed? So it's clear, right? So any doubts? The break and continue. Okay. If you're not having any doubts, then okay we can continue. Then okay we'll okay discuss about okay further concepts. Okay, which are even we'll also write okay two or more okay examples okay by using this okay while loop. We can also okay check okay whether the given okay string is a I mean, so for example you write a shell program. So write a shell program. Okay, write a okay shell program to check whether okay given program okay given okay input is a given input is a palindrome or not. Don't use that rev keyword. So rev keyword means if you just use the rev keyword, so it will try to reverse a string, and okay if you are trying to compare you will get that. So don't use this don't use this if condition with rev keyword. So try to reverse the string. So try to reverse a string. So for example, okay, you are having a keyword called, okay, you are having a keyword called, okay, data. Then you have to extract the last keyword. Then after extracting the last keyword, you are, okay, then you want to extract the third keyword, third character, sorry. Then again you want to extract the second character. And again you want to extract the first character. So AT, okay, AT, AD. So then after you completely reverse it, after I completely reverse it, okay, then you want to compare again these two strings. If these two strings are okay same, then you can say that the given the given input is a palindrome. So either it could be either, for example, okay, 1 2 3 okay, 4 5. Then reverse it by using 5 4 3 2 1. So check it. So whether this number and that number both are matching, we can say that it's a palindrome. If not, it's not a okay palindrome. So you know that okay meaning of okay palindrome, right? So the palindrome is nothing but So even though if you are going to okay, reverse a string, after reversing a string, for example, madam, madam. So if you reverse a string, so you will also get again madam. So the both will matches. It's a palindrome or one to one or okay ABA. So this kind of okay things. You can also think and okay write those okay programs. And the other program is okay display a Fibonacci. Okay, I mean write a shell program for okay Fibonacci okay series. So why do we okay Fibonacci series means what is the meaning of okay Fibonacci series? Can someone tell me what is a Fibonacci series? What is the meaning of Fibonacci series? For example, okay, from 1 to 10. So, okay, you want to display the, okay, you want to do that, okay, Fibonacci series. So in this case, first one. So then, okay, then 2, right? So 2 plus 1, then it will be, okay, 3. Now, so what is the next number? 1, 1, 2. So 1 plus 1, 2, then 3, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, then okay, the next number. So what is the next number? So we do have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. So from 1 to 10, you want to display the Fibonacci series. Okay, in this case, so we do have a okay 0 also. 0 to okay 10. 0 plus 1, okay 1. Then okay 0 plus 1 1, then 1 plus 2 okay 3, okay then 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 like this. Okay, you want to display the okay you want to display this okay Fibonacci series. You want to display the output as 1, okay then okay 0 okay plus 1 1, and now 1 plus 1. So okay, here how it should be 0 plus 1 okay 1. So okay, here the output will be you want to sum these two values, the last two. 0 plus 1, what is the value of 0 plus 1? 0 plus 1 is equals to okay 0. Sorry 1. Now we have display 1. Now the output of this with okay next one. So 1 plus 1. So okay 1 plus okay 1 is equals to okay 2. Now 2 plus okay 2 plus, so okay I mean okay 2 plus what is the next number? So okay 2 plus okay I mean so 2 plus okay 1. So because okay I mean 2 plus 1 3, then 3 plus 2 okay 5. So okay okay then okay 5 3 plus 5 8. So you want to okay, achieve such kind of things, then okay you can also okay, write that okay Fibonacci, that we can call it the Fibonacci series. The value of Fibonacci series is like 1 okay 1 2 okay 3 5 okay 8 okay 13, which is the previous number, the sum of previous number, this number plus next number, again the sum of that number with next number, like that you want to okay do that. So also write a program for okay Fibonacci series. And okay we can also okay write a shell script. Okay, write a okay shell script to display okay to display the okay even comma odd and okay prime numbers okay from 1 to 100. So from 1 to 100. So a single program, so a single program to display that okay to display the even number. So 1 is a even, 2 is a odd number. So okay 3 is a okay sorry 1 is a odd number, 2 is a even number, 3 is a odd number, 4 is a even number. And if you want to display that okay prime numbers also, what is the meaning of prime number? The number should not be divisible with any of other number except okay that. So for example 3 and okay 5 7 11. So okay these things okay you want to display that. So you okay eventually the output should be from 1 to 100. So from 1 to 100. So from 1 to 100, the odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers are what are the odd numbers? And okay even numbers, what are the okay even numbers? Then okay prime numbers. So if you want to display all of these three, okay then write a shell program. Then write a okay shell program. Write okay one kind of okay shell program. So then also write a shell program okay to display, then okay star, then okay two stars, then okay kind of okay rectangular. You want to print the, you want to create a shell program okay for rectangular. So or this is this way, or okay in reverse way also. In this way or in okay reverse way also. So I want a shell program okay to display the output on okay this format and okay the okay I mean okay this format or in okay this format. So write okay one kind of okay shell program and okay even calculate a simple interest. So calculate okay simple interest. Okay, calculate okay simple interest. Okay for okay more than okay for okay I mean simple interest. So based on the okay, inputs, based on the okay, inputs on okay entry file. So if the entry file is having okay 100 lines, your loop has to iterate 100 times, stating that. So you only create a file. You only create a okay file. So entries dot okay txt entries dot okay txt. So for example, customer ID, customer name, and amount. So okay amount. Okay then okay interest rate. Then okay interest rate. Okay then okay along with okay interest rate, then okay date. So date when you okay at what time you have given okay date. So customer ID 1, name A. So you have given okay him okay 5,000, 3,000. So okay what is the interest rate? So interest rate is okay 1 point okay 5 rupees. It's up to you. Then a date. When did you okay at what time what date you have given? 2023 hyphen 01 hyphen 01. Then okay B. Sorry, next customer is okay 2. Then okay B. Then okay 5,000. Okay 5,000. Then okay 1 point okay 3 rupees. So when you have given 2024 hyphen 01 hyphen 10. So we do have a entries like this. So okay, I mean whatever the program you have written earlier, the same kind of thing. So okay, if it is the month is less than 24, the month is the total number of months is less than 24, then okay go with okay one interest. If it is greater than 24 less than 48, the pre okay I mean how it should be okay, I mean 3,000 plus 2,000, 5,000, and okay, you have to calculate interest for 5,000. So like that you want to okay do that. And okay same for okay then same for even student marks also. Now we can able to write our okay student grade marks table. So you create a one student file. So create a one student file. So okay student file okay stating student name. So M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6. So keep the okay okay keep the marks as okay A. So okay A for example okay 10 10 okay 10 10 10. So then okay B. So okay they define as okay 98 99 99 99 okay okay 78 okay 86. So 86. Okay then okay C. So define as okay 100. So okay 100. Okay 100. Then okay 34. Okay then okay 100 then 100. So you have to define a file. First keep the entry on top of the entry. So okay once you keep an entry on top of entry, so create a shell program. So create a okay shell program. So why we are okay discussing all these programs are to understand okay how the execution flow. So how the okay how the flow, how do we control the flow, how the flow okay executes, okay how the okay, if you want to understand deeply how this okay executes, then okay we can go with okay if you write all this kind of program, then it will be really okay helpful, it will be really helpful for your to improve the okay to improve your skills on okay Unix shell scripting. This is really okay important. It's really it's important. Any doubts on okay here? No, no. So you write all these programs. So I hope everybody to write okay these programs and send it to me on chat or okay on or our WhatsApp group chat or WhatsApp group, so that okay we'll also come to know. Okay, or tomorrow once we connect, then you can also okay paste all. I request everybody to write all these programs, because if you write these programs, I mean it's nothing new. Also, we I have already explained the functionality. You know the functionality. If you go with 21J2, if you do the same, if you tweak small things, then okay we'll get okay this kind of output. So then if you want to okay reverse a string, so you have to identify how to okay reverse a string. So okay, okay, how to okay reverse a string. So always okay try with okay so without if you go with REV keyword. So I told you about the REV keyword, right? For example, Control C. So for example, if I have a keyword called okay name, so name is equals to okay, A B C D. So if you just okay use echo dollar okay name pipe okay REV. So okay echo dollar name. So echo dollar name pipe okay rev, so it will display the output on okay reverse format. It will display the output on okay reverse format. But okay don't go with okay this one, so don't go with okay this, okay use okay by using okay while loops, use this okay by using this okay while loop, using okay while loop. So how do we okay achieve it okay while loop? So you count the okay number of characters on okay this. How do we count the number of characters on okay this? So by using this okay dollar hash. So you know already okay dollar hash. For example, so length is equals to, we can mention okay dollar. So okay then flower brackets. So then okay okay dollar okay flower brackets. Okay then okay hash. Okay then okay hash. Okay then okay name. Then hash name. So echo, okay, dollar, okay, len. So we know that okay, 4. So you achieve then if you want to achieve the things from okay reverse order, how do we achieve the things from okay reverse order? So we know it, right? If dollar okay, how do we achieve it in reverse order? So okay minus one. If you go with okay minus, we can able to okay we can able to get it in okay reverse order. We can able to get the details on so okay reverse order. So you try with okay whenever okay I mean so you incorporate this logic on okay while loop. So okay while loop, so read that okay first keyword okay reversed from okay reverse order, then do it so that okay you can able to so okay achieve this okay program.
I think
Okay,
and a video sharing.
చేస్తాను.